Yo, what is up, guys? Back at it again with another video. My name is Ryan Waves. Whoa, hold up. That's not how we start an intro. We start an intro with a montage. All right, let's get the montage.
I don't know where to go after you love me this. After you love me this way. After you love me so. After you love me so good. How are you gonna tell me you don't wanna say? You tell me I'm too young, but I gave you what you wanted. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? You won't wake up beside me, 'cause I was born in the 99. Baby, how dare you treat me just like a boy? Don't treat me like.
Alright, so you got montage. That's how we start the video. That's how we always start the video. Anyways, welcome back for another video, vlog number two. I'm just walking around right now, so today, I don't know if it's a special day. Oh wait, it is a special day. Today is In-N-Out Day. We're gonna get In-N-Out. The whole gang is gonna get burger, fries. I mean, I wish they had fries, but they're giving us chips, but that's nasty. But, you know, we're getting the usuals. We're also gonna get a soda with it. Soda, chips, and the burger. Seems normal, but, you know, that's a regular. And by the way, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at youngboy_rightgod. There it is. In-N-Out, yes, we're gonna have In-N-Out. In-N-Out's so great, so yeah. Oh, beautiful In-N-Out, beautiful In-N-Out. And we're gonna have some of that. That's some Gucci shit right there. Just yeah. So I'm just gonna be waiting here. I wish I could be the first in line, but you know, there's people there already. So yeah. Oh look, she's here. Yep, she's here in the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. So, there she goes. Hey, so yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So, oh, such a beautiful day. Whoa, the line's all the way up there. Nah, that's crazy. We're not gonna wait in the line. That's why we're gonna get out of class early and just get there and just, you know, be the first ones. How are you doing? Just be the first ones there in line, because I'm not trying to wait that line. That line's super long.
That's the perks of being visually impaired. That you can get out of class early anytime you want.
It's called ditching. So we're gonna see if we could get out early out of class. I mean, I might ditch. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? All right. So right now we're headed to our 5th period. You know, let's just get that math in. So, you know, I'm just gonna go there, get that scooty-doo, and then we're done. Going up to the class. Yo, it's Diego. Diego, what's up? What's up, man?
What you doing?
So I'm just vlogging. Wait, hold up. Vlogging.
Yo, I did fucking PE. My first time. You know, the first day I got back from PE, my first time doing PE, I did a fucking mile. That's fucking stupid.
No one likes the miles.
No, what's the timeout? That's fucking stupid. You know what I mean? The timeout is like all the way to the field over there, and then come back to the track.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow. We're gonna do that tomorrow.
You guys do it tomorrow?
Yeah, we're doing it tomorrow.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, yo, Danny. Welcome to the vlog. What's up, man? What's up? See you, Diego. What is up, class? Alright, guys, the bell's just rung, and I'm gonna do some math. I'm gonna do some math. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stop it right there. Okay, the reason I didn't record the In-N-Out part is because, you know, it was super hot, but, you know, we did eat In-N-Out. If you follow me on Instagram, like, I posted there where there's people cutting in line, but that sucks. Anyways, back to the video. I'm back. Anyways, I know it's been a while. I haven't been updated. This is gonna be a short vlog, and I'm tired. I'm tired for today. So I am doing work, and from there, I just want to keep you guys updated. I just finished eating it. It's delicious, really good. Anyways. So I'll catch you guys later. after class, and we'll take the vlog from there. Alright, so it's already after school. I'm going home now, and that's about it. I'm went to go. Actually, left class early. Actually, left class, and I got papers class. I needed them. And I'm on my way home, and we'll catch the vlog there. This is a very short vlog. I'll tell you that. Very short. That's about it. We'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, I am back home and I am done for today. I'm really done. So I had a long day. The In-N-Out, I mean, we had In-N-Out, that was pretty good, but it was too long. The line was too long and there was people cutting. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw what happened. But that is it for today, including my pooch. But yeah, he's tired too. Anyways, that's it for today, and I'll catch you guys next time.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rygod.
Okay,
Wait,
so-
just lip sing it. Just lip sing it. Wait, hold up. Lip sing it.
What?
Okay, ready? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Rygod, your boy, Skinny Penis.
Alright, so we're
guys,
back.
so
I'm sorry
we're
for
back,
the delay.
And for the delay.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Look at that.
Would you really want to cut down the most entertaining parts of your vlog when I'm literally giving you good?
Those are bloopers. Those are bloopers.
Bloopers my ass.
Those are bloopers.
Bloopers my ass.
Anyway. What's up, guys? I'm back. I know I haven't been updated. Been out.
That's
Just
a
gotta
lie.
do work. I had to do work, so you know.
He's
But
lying.
anyway. Shut up. Okay.
Hey, Billy, put that one down. Billy, don't you dare fucking say it.
Willie Winter, kill that.